Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today, we're diving into a product that's tailored for mature skin and aims to bring that vital glow back overnight. We're talking about the Clarins Nutri-Lumière Night Cream, an anti-aging moisturizer designed to nourish and restore vitality while visibly lifting and smoothing the skin. It also promises to minimize deep wrinkles and age spots. So is this the night cream your skincare routine has been missing? Let's find out. First up, the basics. This cream comes in a 50 milliliter jar, a pretty standard size for a night cream. Clarins has positioned this as a rich, nourishing moisturizer meant specifically for mature skin. Its formula is packed with ingredients focused on hydration, anti-aging benefits, and skin renewal during your nighttime beauty sleep. Key players in the formula include plant-based extracts known for their revitalizing and protective effects, typical of Clarins' botanical approach to skincare. Using it was straightforward. The texture is thick but absorbs surprisingly well without leaving a greasy residue, which is important for a night cream, especially if you're layering it with other treatments. I found it easy to integrate into my evening routine. Just a small amount warmed between the fingers and gently massaged onto clean skin. It felt comforting and quite hydrating, especially during those colder, drier nights. During my testing phase, I paid close attention to how my skin looked and felt in the mornings after using it. My skin definitely felt plumper and more nourished, and the overall texture seemed smoother. I also noticed a subtle lifting effect around the jawline and cheeks, which was impressive for a cream alone. While I can't claim it erased deep wrinkles overnight, nothing does, it did seem to soften their appearance over a few weeks. As for age spots, there was a gentle brightening effect, but not a dramatic fade, something to keep in mind depending on your expectations. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the formula's rich hydration really stands out. It's ideal for anyone with dry to very dry skin or anyone looking for a luxurious cream that supports skin's natural repair processes overnight. The scent is classic Clarins, mild, fresh, and not overpowering, which is always a bonus for sensitive noses. Packaging-wise, the jar is sturdy and sleek, fitting nicely on any vanity. On the flip side, the thickness of the cream might not suit those with oily or combination skin types. It could feel a bit heavy or clog pores if you're prone to breakouts. Also, the jar packaging means you'll need to be hygienic when applying or consider using a spatula, as dipping fingers into products can sometimes lead to contamination. Value-wise, Clarins sits at the premium end of the market, and this cream reflects that. At its price point, you're paying for a well-formulated product backed by a reputable brand with a long heritage in plant-based skincare. The quality of ingredients and visible skin benefits justify the investment for those serious about mature skincare. If you're on a tighter budget, however, there are other anti-aging creams that offer hydration and some wrinkle smoothing at a lower price, but they may not match Clarins' botanical expertise or sensory experience. Compared to other night creams I've tested in the same category, Clarins Nutri-Lumière holds its ground with its unique combination of nourishing botanicals and a pleasant texture that's rich but not overwhelming. It's more refined than many drugstore options and less clinical than some purely dermatological products, striking a nice balance for those who want effective yet gentle anti-aging care. The build quality of the product, meaning the jar and cream consistency, is excellent. The cream maintains its texture well over time, showing no signs of separation or drying out quickly, which means you get full use from every jar. As for longevity, I've been using this consistently for about a month, and it's still going strong. I haven't had direct interaction with Clarins' customer service for this product, but the brand is generally well regarded for being responsive and helpful with any inquiries or returns, which is reassuring when investing in higher-end skincare. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you're considering alternatives, brands like Caudalie and L'Occitane offer nourishing night creams with botanical ingredients that might suit a smaller budget while still delivering hydration and some anti-aging benefits. Just keep in mind, those may not have the exact same lifting or smoothing effects that Clarins emphasizes. So here's the bottom line. Clarins Nutri-Lumière Night Cream is a solid choice for mature skin needing deep nourishment and a touch of rejuvenation. It's best suited for dry to very dry skin types who want a pampering nightly ritual that visibly smooths and softens wrinkles with a gentle lift. If your skin is oilier or you prefer lighter textures, you might want to explore other options. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic today. You can find the link to purchase this cream in the description box below. And if you've used Nutri-Lumière before, drop a comment and share your experience. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.